one, let's try curling hair. I don't promise anything because I've never curled my hair in my life, but Aisha, we'll find a way. So I'm just waiting for it to get to 210 as it's still doing its thing there, and then once it's done, I've never used this in my life. So like I said, me and you will be learning together how to curl hair today. I got this from Shein. They sent me this part of my cozy autumn collection, and I feel like a curled hairstyle is so cutesy with like your little cute autumn outfit. Like, it just works, guys. It really does work, and I believe that we can nail this today. Okay, so we just need to comb it, and then
She's homeless, she's homeless, she's homeless, she's homeless.
alright, tell me what you think, but I feel like we did good. We did good for first timers. I feel like I have done. Also, chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. Ain't no way no one is gonna convince me that this is not chef's tea. Love it. Anyway, see you on the next one.